Oh, he'll be talking to John here.
Come on back.
Say whatever you want. Just don't say anything you don't want him to hear.
You can see yourself on there.
This is a G-rated show.
Go on here. One here.
But John, ask them their name and stuff. You know? Uh-oh, here comes the big guy.
Just let her step, grab, and balance. Like that.
What was your name?
RJ?
RJ. Okay, RJ. How's it feel to be a tree?
It feels good.
Does it feel good to be a tree?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, RJ. Well, you just got keep letting John load you up here. He's that guy with the birds, you know.
And like we always tell people, if the bird poops on you, that's good luck. I've been very lucky over the years.
Makes real good gel.
Yeah. Good protein. Yeah, let's see. You have 5 birds on you from 5 different places in the world.
That's good, John. Why don't you tell them about those birds while we use him as a tree?
All right.
Okay.
Well, the macaw over there, that's Elvie. She's from South America. This bird is Peaches. Peaches comes from the Moluccan Islands of Indonesia. Little Jade here is a cockatiel from Australia. We got Dutch on the other side. Dutch is an Indian ringneck parakeet from India. And way up on top is Buttercup. Buttercup is a peach-faced lovebird from Africa. Not many places when you go have 5 different birds from 5 different places in the world on you at all the same time.
How old can they get?
These birds can live, the larger ones, over 100 years. And my oldest bird is 65 years old. She turned 65 in January. January 1949 she was had. But you can have a bird like this. If you were to get a bird like this right now, you would have it the rest of your life. So, yeah, they're very long-lived, and they make great companions if you know what you're getting into. That's the hardest part, is understanding what they're all about.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. All right.
John, do you have some that talk?
Maybe.
If they feel like it?
Maybe. Hey, Al. You say, hi, Al. Hi, Al. What do you tell me? Hi, Al. Who is that, Al? Hi, Al. Hi, Al. It's always tough, with all the dogs and everything at these expos. But would you sing for me? You gonna sing? Yeah. Worse than kids, only when you want them to. Huh. Hi, Al. Hi, Al. Hi, Al. Okay, Al. Hey, we had a long trip here, drove all night, and once they get a good night's sleep tonight, we'll be raring to go tomorrow. Hi, Al. Say hi, Al. Hi, Al.
What happens is
Be on TV. There's Gigi.
just keep getting people and put them on. Hey, John?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna just keep getting people on.